In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to host your website on a Hostinger VPS server. If you're someone who wants more power, more control, and better performance than shared hosting can provide, then a VPS is the perfect upgrade. Whether you're launching an online business, building a high-traffic project, or simply wanting full server freedom, this guide will help you set everything up step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Hostinger website. Here, you'll find a wide range of hosting solutions, but VPS stands out because it gives you dedicated resources while still being affordable and easy to manage. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button at the top corner and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply create one. Hostinger makes the process quick and beginner-friendly. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger H panel, which is your main dashboard for managing all hosting services. From here, find the VPS section. It's usually displayed clearly because VPS hosting is one of Hostinger's most popular services for advanced users. Click on it and you'll be directed to the VPS management area where you'll see different categories, such as hosting websites, running applications, or using the server for game hosting. Since we're hosting a website, you'll choose the option related to website deployment. Next, you'll see multiple VPS server plans, each offering different levels of CPU, RAM, storage, and bandwidth. Take your time deciding which one fits your needs. If you're hosting a simple website or a small business page, a starter VPS might be enough. For larger projects, you may want something with more power. Once you've selected your preferred plan, continue to the setup process. Now, click the setup button. This is where the actual VPS configuration begins. Hostinger provides several operating system templates such as Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, and others. Most users choose Ubuntu supported. Pick the OS you want, confirm your selections, and start the setup. The server configuration process can take a few minutes depending on the resources you selected, so allow some time for everything to initialize. While the VPS is being prepared, you can gather your website files, database backups, or CMS installer, such as WordPress if you plan to use it. Once the VPS is ready, Hostinger will provide your server IP address, login method, and root access. You can connect to your server using SSH from your computer's terminal or through Hostinger's built-in SSH terminal feature. After connecting, you can install a web server like Apache or Nginx, upload your website files, configure your domain, and set up SSL certificates for security. At this point, you're almost done. Once your files are uploaded and your domain is pointing to your VPS IP address, your website will go live using the dedicated power of your virtual private server. This setup offers improved speed, stronger security, and full administrative control compared to shared hosting. And that's it. You now know how to host your website on a Hostinger VPS server using a clear and simple process. With your server running smoothly, you have the freedom to scale your project, optimize performance, and customize your hosting environment however you like. If you ever get stuck, Hostinger's support team is available anytime to guide you further. Happy hosting!